Chatham County, Durham County, Harnett County, Lee County, Montgomery County, Moore County, Orange County, Southern Randolph County, Wake County, until 2:15 p.m. At 8:24 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen since 7 a.m. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Chapel Hill, Sanford, Asheboro, Southern Pines, Hillsborough, Pittsboro, Lillington, Troy, Carthage, Siler City, North Carolina Zoo, Baden Lake, Wake Forest, Garner, Carrboro, Fuquay-Varina, and Pinehurst. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Durham, Harnett, Lee, Montgomery, Moore, Orange, Randolph, and Wake.